welcome back to my channel. This is Dragon Knight. Today I will be making salsa de molcajete. And if you like the recipe that I give you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. Okay, you will need 1 tomato, 4 tomatillos, 1/4 of onion, 4 garlic cloves, 2 jalapeños, 1 habanero. You will also need cilantro. You will also need to season your salsa, okay? I use salt and pepper, and I also use other seasoners that I have. So you want to be slowly cooking your tomato, your tomatillos, onion, garlic, jalapeño, and habanero. At this point, I am cooking it at low temperature. I will also be using an avocado. I will cut it in squares for my salsa, and I will also be using Chile Tepin and grind the Chile Tepin. It is not a necessary ingredient, but if you do, it will add a lot of flavor to your salsa de molcajete. Also, it is a very spicy chile, so you can adjust how much you want to use depending how spicy you want your salsa to be. I am approximately cooking the tomato, tomatillo, jalapeño, habanero, garlic, onion for approximately 20-25 minutes. Now I will be grinding the garlic inside my molcajete. Another point I want to add is that it's not a salsa de molcajete if it's not done with a molcajete, just to make that a point. Now I will be grinding my habanero. Now I will just garnish my salsa de molcajete. So this is how it turned out. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. This turned out so delicious.